The panda is sleeping. The sun is shining. He feels happy. It is Sunday morning. He looks outside. He goes to wash. He brushes his teeth.
All clean now.
He says hello.
He sees birds.
He brushes his teeth.
All clean now.
He washes his face.
He feels fresh. He goes to the kitchen. He looks for food. He takes breakfast. He looks for food. He takes breakfast. He makes food. First, 2 slices of bread. Now for the peanut butter. Spread it on, and done. He eats slowly. He drinks milk. He enjoys food. He is full now. He cleans table. He wears clothes. He wears shoes. He is ready. He goes outside. He walks outside. He meets Rabbit.
Panda! I was hoping you'd come.
Of course, it's good to see you.
You too.
Hello. Hello. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Panda says hello. Panda, I finally found you. Hello, Monkey. I was waiting. Let's play. Yes, let's go.
Monkey is happy.
They are friends. Let's go to the park. Yeah, this is going to be fun.
I can't wait to play.
The park is beautiful. Panda sits down. Rabbit sits too. Monkey joins them. Hey friends, let's talk. Yeah, what do you want to talk about?
How about our day?
Great idea. Let's do it.
Crunchy.
Monkey eats banana. He feels happy. Ready to go higher? Yes, please. Here we go. This is fun. Monkey claps hands. Panda smiles. Panda sees fish. He goes home. He enters home. He sits sofa. The herd moves swiftly across the open plain. Their powerful strides carry them forward. He enjoys the show. He drinks juice.